This right here is one of the easiest upgrades you can do in your home. Let's take a closer look. This is from Enerlights. This is their Elite Series Duplex Receptacle, which is a screwless wall plate. This is the like champagne gold style, and you can see right there, there's the tab for really easy removal. It's also tamper-resistant, heat and impact resistant, and it's made of a polycarbonate thermoplastic. But basically, looks nice, right? Bit of an upgrade from the traditional white wall plate with screws. I also love how the edges are slightly rounded. That makes it look like nice and sleek. It's aesthetic right now, right? There's not a whole lot more to it than that. It's just a super simple, easy to install, beautiful looking upgrade that you could get done today if you wanted. Hope that was helpful.